Hi everyone, so I wanted to share this Laurel Denise planner that I bought. Um, I really like how she makes these planners, and they're very different from anything I've seen. So let's go ahead and get into it. I got some inserts for the planner. So let me go ahead and take everything out. And then I'm going to take out the planner. Oh my god, look how pretty it looks. Look how beautiful that is. But before I get into that, I'm going to go ahead and show you the inserts real quick. So I got the budget planner insert. This is actually for the 2023. I think she still has 2023 planners. But this should fit in here. I think they might be different this year, a little bigger, I don't know. But I also got these weekly stickers. They're on clearance. I got this extra notebook paper. And then I got this one, I think for, I don't remember, I think it's by day, vertical. I'm really excited about the planner. They put a cute little card here. This paper's so pretty. Planner for the way you think. Oh, it's even pretty in person. I love this little detail of pink. So it's a teacher planner. I'm not a teacher. I don't plan on being one, but I figured that the way the layout is, I can do, I can plan for my videos. And this camera's not wide enough for me to show the whole thing. So it has, oh, that's cool. This is to do like bullet points, and that's a ruler. That's nice. So it just has like procedures teachers will have in school on it, before and after school details you might have. The 2023-2024 up till June. The holidays are on this side, other side. I might be able to do another video when I get my my other camera stand. And then it has, this is what was like so amazing to me. It has the calendar in the left side, and then it goes by day. So all the little sheets, and you can still look at your monthly at the same time. And then it has the to-do for this month. And then it moves on to the next one. And like, I'm not worried about the date because it's dated. I'll just change that, add stickers to change the date. So I thought this was pretty cool. And then it looks like on the back, it says lesson plans. I thought this was cool because I want to do tutorials, but I can draw out what I want to do here, write what materials I'm using, you know, the name of the video, you know, I can use these boxes effectively, and then write the dates that I want to have them go up. So they still have, the only planners they have left are the teacher planners that are, they have the newer ones too, but the older ones that they have left are only $20. So if you are interested in these, I would grab them because they're on clearance. And then it says professional development on these ones. I can write ideas on here. Yeah, I thought this was a really amazing planner. Oh, look, this is different. I don't know what I'll use this for yet. I can use it probably as a checking boxes off to the things I want to do for the videos. She also has examples of how to use her planners, and I think it's great because it's very realistic. It's not just like a hypothetical. I mean, it's, some of it is like, what if I was this, but they have great detail of what it could be from experience. So I really like that about her channel. Planning on getting her other like regular planner, but I want to start off with this. So I think this is great. That's all I want to show you for today. Oh wait, the inserts. But I showed you guys the inserts. I'm just gonna see. Like, it's just for me to add. Yeah, they fit perfect. Do they? I'm tripping. Okay, they're just off by one. So it just has an extra coil. Maybe these were for the minis. No idea, but they still go in, which is fine with me then. You know, I don't really care if it doesn't go all the way through to the coils. They were really, really inexpensive. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.